This is a quick demonstration of FoxTales. So first and foremost, FoxTales is interactive story you can play. This is an example of a foxtail. You click start, you're in the story. And in this story has a very simple premise. You awake in a small clearing surrounded by trees. I have a few different options of what I can do, and there's always a reset button. So I'm going to click walk north. I'm in a garden, well tended. There's a small cottage. I'm going to enter the cottage. It's dark, I can't see a thing. I hear a low growl in the darkness. A flashlight would be useful here, but I don't have one. I'm going to walk forward. I hear a sound like a beast rushing toward me, then silence. Sorry, you lose. Okay, so I did not win this. There is a leaderboard here. You can see who's on the leaderboard. Very cool. Okay, let me try again. So I'm going to play again. In this case, I'm going to walk north. I'm going to open the chest. There's a code for the chest. I don't know what the code is, so let's go back. Here, forward, try again. Start. Walk east, I'm in a ravine. Mace's River to the west is a clearing. Started, there's a knife in the dirt. I'm going to pick up the knife. Now I have the knife, it's in my inventory, pretty cool. I keep walking to the east. I'm at the bank of a large river. The water is rushing past me. Sesame is scribbled in the dirt, and a boat is tied to a stake. Cut the rope. Now I have a boat. I'm not going to try to cross, I'm going to go back. Go west. Going to arrive back at the small clearing. I'm going to walk north. Now I'm going to try to open this chest. I have to enter a code. Let me Sesame. Check. I open the chest. Now I have a flashlight. I'm going to enter. I use the flashlight. There's a large angry bear. It lunges towards me, but this time I run away. Now I'm ready. Return to the clearing. Walk to the west. At a grand bazaar. Merchant hands me a jewel, but asks me to trade. So I'm going to ask to trade. Wants to go rowing in the dark of night. I'm going to offer her items. Just what she needed, a boat and a flashlight. Now she wants me to solve a riddle. What is the name? I made this foxtail. The name is my name. And I win. It says I can add this tale to my collection for free, so I'm going to click collect. And what this does is allow me to mint the tale on base. I click mint. It's going to generate a mint for me. The NFT incoming. It's going to arrive in my wallet at my destination address. Now that's pretty cool, but the really cool thing, you can make your own. So this will take me to foxtales.fun, and this is the studio where you can create your own foxtail. From here, you actually start out with an example. So this generates a tale. This has 2 pages, start and end, and I can see what happens here in a simulator. This looks just like the frame interface that I was showing you here. This is the simulator. So I click start. Welcome to Foxtail Studio. This is what it says here. This is a simple example. Let's click start to proceed. Go to proceed. Now you see it updates the simulator here. So I click go, and it says you just completed a tale. You can edit to make it your own. So let's say we make our own. Let's say we load a tale. Let me show you the tale that we were just doing earlier. This is actually how this tale was created. There's a bunch of different pages. The small clearing surrounded by trees, field, the cottage, the dark room. Here's how you get a flashlight, use the boat to cross. This is the same thing that I just showed you earlier. You can see here I don't have the items I need. You could even change what some of the items look like here. But essentially, this is the tale. So let me show you how you can create a tale through this interface. Let's say we add a couple of pages. Okay, and let's say the tale is about going to school. Morning. Get ready for school. Okay, and I'm going to go to Let's say I call this the kitchen. Okay, so now I'm going to change this to be kitchen for breakfast. Okay, so I'm going to go call this that. And then I'm going to get here and I'm going to say, okay, I have a few different options. Let's say one is cereal, one is bowls, one is. So I'm going to go to another page, buttons. One of these buttons will be named with something. Okay, let's add another button. Go to cereal. Actually, I did cereal. Now I want to do waffles. Okay, and then the last one is egg. Okay, now that I've done this, I can actually play around with this. Start. Good morning. It's time to get ready for school. Go to the kitchen. Let's start with a meal. What would you like for breakfast? Cereal, waffle, eggs, and bacon. When I click on each one, they're probably going to fail because there's nothing there. Yes, of course. Okay. And let's say you quickly inhale it. Time to get dressed. All right. I have another go-to here. Let's say waffles here. Burn yourself, toaster. Can't go to. I'm going to add. So this is going to be a losing state. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say condition to lose, right? And eggs, fill raw eggs, all stuff. Don't how to cook. I'm going to say condition lose. Okay, so now I have this. Okay, so far I have, you get to the kitchen, you have 3 different ways you can go. There's the 3 different options. I'm going to set this one to be winning for now. Let me show you how this works. So this all passes validation now. I click start. Good morning, it's time to get ready for school. Okay, go to the kitchen. Start with a meal. What would you like for breakfast? Waffles. Burn myself with the toaster. Can't go to school with an injury. Sorry, you lose. Start over. Eggs and bacon. I spill raw eggs all over myself. What was I thinking? You don't even know how to cook. Go to kitchen. Cereal. Ah, I win. Okay, so now I'm going to change this. Let's add some more pages. Okay, now I'm going to say, go to page 6. Actually, I should call this bedroom. All right, say to the room. Okay, cool. Now this goes to the bedroom. What will you wear today? Let's have a few different options here. Let's add a couple more here. All right. Hot and sunny outside. What will you wear today? Go to, let's this. Shorts and a snowsuit. So let's go to shorts. And then let's do another one that's boot. Name, shorts. I'll say snowsuit. All right. Then the snowsuit. A to the bus. Stream causes collapse. All right. Now we go here. Addition. Win. Here. Addition. Lose. All right. So my interactive story, everything validates here. Okay. Reset. Start. Time to get ready for school. Go to the kitchen. Eggs and bacon. I lost. Let me try over. Time to get ready for school. Go to the kitchen. Have myself some cereal. Make myself a bowl and quickly inhale it. Time to get dressed. It's hot and sunny outside. What will you wear today? Shorts or a snowsuit? Shorts. I walk out the door in my t-shirt and shorts. It's a great day. You board the bus in time. Congratulations, you win. Play again. All right. That's pretty cool. Now what happens when I save it? Oh, look at that. Good morning. I'm the author. This is my Farcaster ID. I use Nanar to get the Farcaster connection, the sign-in ability. And this is actually my story. It's all represented in JSON just like this. I'm going to click Save. Now it gets saved into the database. Here. Right, that's my interactive tail. So now that's pretty cool. Now if I do this, it's going to create a new cast. And then it shares on Warpcast. And when I click Cast, and I go to View, here's my interactive frame. Good Morning, Interactive Tale by Christian Montoya. I'm going to go and check it out. Good morning. Here's my tale, just like I showed you, just like in the simulator. This is the one that I've created. Go to the kitchen. What would you like for breakfast? Cereal. Cool. Quickly inhale it. Time to get dressed. To the room. Hot and sunny outside. Snowsuit. Make way to the bus, but the extreme heat causes me to collapse before I can reach the curb. Sorry, you lose. Try again. All right, let's do this again. Go to the kitchen. Cereal. To the room. Shorts. T-shirt and shorts. It's a great day. You board the bus in time. Congratulations, you win. Add it to my collection for free. Mint to collect the tail. NFT is being minted. See if I can get on base scan. And let's see if I can find the right address for myself. Cool. And actions. It takes a little while to load, but I should be able to see the NFT that gets minted here shortly. Possible that the NFT tracking is down too right now. If I go on base here, MetaMask, keys, one foxtail, a while back, find more. All right, well, maybe that there are just some delays right now for the NFT to show up, but normally this is where it would show here. This. Anyway, this is where it would show up face scan once it's ready. So yeah, that's how Foxtails works. Really cool because you then see who's completed your Foxtail, and we're going to be adding more features to it. But you can go on there and build your own interactive stories in frames right now. Thank you.